In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install NCBA Mobile Banking app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. If you're having issues installing your app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go to your Play Store app, open it, and make sure you are searching for your app while logged in. In case you are not logged in, you'll need to log in. However, if you are already logged in but that wasn't the issue, then tap on your profile icon here and then scroll down to settings. You should see settings here. If you tap on it, look for this option, network preferences. Under this, we have various options. Go to app download preference and change this. If it is set to over Wi-Fi only, change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via any network you are connected to. Save the changes by tapping on OK. Then go ahead, turn on your data or connect to stable Wi-Fi before you can install your app. However, if this doesn't work, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and you can see app info is here. However, if you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the Play Store app data, and you can do this from down here. Tap on clear data and first choose clear cache and OK. Start your smartphone and try opening your app, search for your app, and this will have fixed your problem. However, if you still can't, then you'll have to come again here and this time around clear all data. For this, you'll need to log in afresh to your Google Play Store because you'll be logged out. Once you're logged in, now head over to your search bar here and search for your app. So I'll search for NCBA and then run the search here. As you can see, now I have the app here. I'll try to install it. And now look at that. I'm able to install NCBA Mobile Banking app. However, if you still have an issue at this point, then it might be you don't have enough space on your smartphone. For that, you need to free up space by clearing trash, deleting unnecessary apps or even images and videos that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install NCBA Mobile Bank app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.